Okay, so we're going to look at the object selection tool. So I'm going to go File and Open. And I have downloaded again an image from Pexels, so I'm just going to use this one of the globe. So this is a really handy tool, but not totally foolproof, okay? So the object selection tool is located where you found the magic wand, okay? On the top of your screen, you need to choose rectangle or lasso. I like lasso, okay? And in terms of your settings, I mean, there's nothing major you need to worry about. If you have just a look at this cog, and if your settings are the same as mine, they should be good. Auto show overlay, object finder. So when I hover over my shape and I drag, so I don't want to go too tight to my selection, but I drag a selection. So I'm kind of telling Photoshop, this is my object. Then I release my finger. It's going to take a minute. And you can see here that it's made the selection. Okay. So obviously there's a bit of a problem here. So this is where maybe I go to, one of these tools. I might go to my magnetic lasso tool and go subtract from selection and just come in here and try and pick up that little spot in here. Not great. I might actually zoom in, Control plus. I might actually instead go for my polygonal, again making sure I'm on subtract from selection. I want to subtract, don't want that bit there. Okay. Okay, add to selection. Okay, again, might just add to selection here. Just, there we go. So when I'm happy, I can just press Control G. And there you have it, my selection is on a new layer. Now let's just say you wanted to just put a plain color in the background, okay? So what we need to do is we need to make a new layer. So plus at the bottom of our layers palette, okay? I'm just going to double click on that and I'm going to call it Color Fill. Okay, then I choose my color. So I come over here to the left hand side and I get my foreground color. So the color that's on top, I double click on that. So these little boxes. So I can, come here and try and find a color that I like. So I might go for something more yellow. There, for example, press OK. Okay. So now I need to tell Photoshop, fill this with color. So if I just go Edit, Fill, and I want it to be the foreground color, press OK. And now it's filled it with that color. So as you know yourselves, you just need to change the hierarchy. And there we have it on a color.